My mind aches for you. My heart beats for you. Every time